Namaskaram. In this video, I'm going to talk about seed therapy. Seed. Seed is source of life. Seeds give life to the plants and to the entire ecosystem to our whole earth. Seeds have a huge power, huge potential lying in them in latent form of energy. Seed therapy uses the energy, the homo energy of the seeds, the latent energy that is ready to blast. Seed therapy is using that energy. Seed therapy is not some very new therapy, but the system in a systematic way it was introduced to us in just after 1988, 1 year after 1 year, because in 1988 Sujok was introduced. So just after this, in 1 year, the seed therapy was also introduced to us. Seed therapy, because it's very easy, very effective, very efficient, it become very popular in no time. It's very efficient because just with very small efforts we get great results. So in seed therapy, the seeds are applied to the body, because we are talking here about Sujok seed therapy. So in Sujok, just by using hand and feet, we can treat the whole body, because our hands, feet, they are like miniatures, they are like remote controls, which can control the whole body. So just using these miniature projections, the hand, feet, we can treat the whole body. So the seeds are applied in Sujok therapy only on the hand and feet. So this is very easy and very interesting. So the seeds we apply, there are different seeds we use. There is a wide range of seeds which are used in the seed therapy. So when you are doing the seed therapy, you should be knowing the properties of the plants, the properties of the seed also, or you can also just feel the size, the shape of the seed, or the color of the seed, because all they resonate to the corresponding organ also. Like suppose you are treating kidney, right? So for kidney you can use the kidney bean, the beans that have same shape, we call in Hindi rajma. So like suppose you're treating mind, so you have walnut akhrot in Hindi. So you see the resemblance. So we have different seeds, like we have fenugreek seed. Fenugreek, its quality is, even in Ayurveda we have this fenugreek quality for removing the pain. For many pain treatments in the Sujok therapy we use this fenugreek seeds, methi seeds also. So you see how these seeds are used. So the good news is we have this seed therapy very much developed. So you just don't have to put so much burden on your mind. You can just simply follow the protocols, because for most of the diseases in this course, I will be giving the protocol. You can see, okay, for this disease I can use this seed, I have to use this seed here. So now everything is, the whole course is completely ready made, like, so you can use the seeds freely, you know which one you have to use. So in seed therapy, we use the homo quality of seeds to treat the hetero quality of human beings. So when you apply the seeds on human body, we usually use a small tape, uh, surgical tape we are using. So with the help of the tape we can stick those seeds. Sometimes we massage with the seeds also. Sometimes we use the seeds to stimulate the particular points on the hand, feet. So it develops from different it differs from different kind of treatment. So when you touch the seed to the body, so the latent energy of the body, it produces like biological, waves. It radiates some waves, uh, bio waves, and also it takes away the pathogenic, the disease energy, dirty energy from the body, and it gives the energy, it energizes at particular point. So the particular point that is corresponding some organs, so it gives the positive energy, the positive stimulation to that organ, and takes away the disease and the used up dirty energy also. So in a way, it works as a energy tool also, it gives the prana also. So you see how this these energy things, these energy healings and this seed therapy is also having a relationship. So I hope you will enjoy this seed therapy class, because it's a fun, it's a real fun and so easy, so effective. Enjoy it.